Hi, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to do the magic ring in two ways. First, the traditional way, and after that I'll show you an easier way to get the same results. But first, the traditional way to do the magic ring. So you take your yarn and you have your short end of the yarn. You wrap it around your index finger 3 times, like this. Then you grab your hook and push underneath all 3 loops. Then you grab the final one and pull it underneath the other 2. Then you secure the yarn by grabbing the thread with the working yarn and pull through this little loop. Alright? Now you can take it off your finger and you have a little ring, which is actually your magic ring. Now you begin working in this ring and you do what the recipe tells you to do. Usually it's 6 single crochet into the ring. So if it is, you insert the hook into the ring as if it was a stitch. Then you yarn over and pull through to make the single crochet. Then yarn over and pull through 2. That's 1 single crochet in the ring. I will pretend that the recipe says 6 single crochet, so I will do 6 single crochet into this ring just to show you how to finish. So that's 5 and another one. So 6 single crochet into this ring. Then we grab the final part here and pull the stitches together so they sit tight like this. Then we grab this little thread down here and pull it just a little bit just to see which one of these 2 moves. And it's this one. So you pull this one until the other one goes away. And you can see the circle is a lot more tight. And then you pull the thread down here so this loop also disappears. And then you actually have your magic ring. So you can do a slip stitch in the first stitch. I've done it a little bit tight. That's it, and then it's complete. Then you have your magic ring and ready to crochet into these stitches. The other way to do it is that you do a slip knot. So make a loop with your yarn and take the long end of the yarn behind the loop, then grab it from the middle with your hook and pull. Then you chain 2, so yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Then in this first chain you do a single crochet. So insert and do your single crochet, and that's your first single crochet. Again, if it was 6 single crochet, you will do another single crochet into the same chain, and again in the same chain you will do another, and all 6 single crochet into this same chain from the beginning. That's 5 and 6, and then a slip stitch in the first one to join the circle. So we have the 2 ways to do it. And if you see the difference, this is a lot more tight. You have a little bit of a gap in this method, but this is how it looks. So this is the traditional magic ring, and this is an alternative just to make it a little bit more easy. So I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!